Okay, now we're talking about body kits, carbon fiber body kits. This is our current Colossal side skirt. Fits all model wise from 2020 to present. Remember, Tesla has not changed anything between the wheels. The doors, the rocker panels, kickboards, everything is the same. So our Colossal ones are great. They're selling fine. They fit the Juniper. They fit this long range. And they're really nice because they wrap right inside the vehicle. You can see when they're installed, the sill is actually covered. So you have beautiful dry molded carbon fiber rolling all the way up and all the way into the door. When you close the door, it's really nice. But we wanted to create a new dry molded version. So we wanted to have something with a dorsal fin, a dolphin fin, some kind of a fin that's going to work with our new front lips. So this is our new front lip. This is the one we just started production. Again, this is all Colossal. Colossal means dry molded carbon fiber. It means it's not wet molded. This is wet molded. This is dry molded. The pattern is clear. It's concise. It's not as affordable as wet molded parts, but this is autoclave cured and it's vulcanized, if it was rubber, sorry. But this is our front lip. The front lip has a fin. So for the Juniper, we're going to install our new side skirts, the carbon fiber ones, and we're calling them Delfino. Delfino means dolphin in Italian. And the continuation of this fin is going to wrap right around and connect there. So again, this is for the non-performance version. This is a new part we've just finished production on, development on. It's beautiful. The performance is going to have a separate one. So since the fascias are different, we're making separate carbon fiber body kits for the front and the rear. What they both have in common is the side skirt. So right now we're going to put the side skirt on here. We have them right on the table, so we'll just keep going. Now this, of course, is the right-hand side, and this is the left-hand side. But look at this. It's all dry molded. It's beautiful. This is the passenger side, and it fits really easily. So we're going to show you. So as we mentioned, the trend around the motor world is to put the fins in the front. So that's what we did on this vehicle. So we're going to show you, this is how easily anyone can install this. Now we're going to do the installation, and again, dorsal fin goes to the front to match the front lip. Now to install this, all we do is we line it right up with the door sill. We put the front lip on, the edge on, and we slide it in. We tap it, come over here, tap it, and then we're going to open the doors. I got the front, and then we're going to slide it all the way in. Now look at how good this fits in the close-up view here. I'm going to slide it all the way on. Fits all the way up, right to the B-pillar. It lines up great. So every time you open up your back door, this is what you see. Carbon fiber. And again, underneath, we have to push it on really good. Make sure it fits good. Slide it all the way in. All right. So once you test fit it, you're good to go. Now we'll close the door. And look at that. Doesn't that look great? We have the tiered step style in the rear, which is like our Colossal. And now with the Delfino version, we have the fin in the front, and it looks fantastic. Providing a nice flat look, which really rounds off or stops the rounding off of the vehicle, like we've said for many years. So that's it. That's the Delfino. You also have the choice of the Colossal. Both fit all model wise. Every one from 2020 to present. Performance or long range or single motor or dual motor. However the names have changed. Okay, we're going to do the full installation next. We're going to record a video. But basically all we're going to do is prep it, clean it, slide it back in. Then we're going to put some self-tapping screws in the bottom, and that's it. Look at that. Doesn't that make the performance Y look great? Okay, thanks for watching. We're going to move on to installation, and we'll be right back. Continuation thought is diffuser. Now this is our carbon fiber diffuser. This is a replacement diffuser. It only fits the Juniper, but it does not fit the performance. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be scanning the entire performance car, take the current diffuser off, but this is what we're offering for the non-performance version. It only fits the long range, single motor, dual motors, but not the performance. But we love the aggressiveness. We love all of the diffuser lines carrying it down underneath the vehicle. It's a total of 8 on this vehicle. 8 fins coming down, increasing downforce, and looking super sporty. Again, that's it. This is a prototype. We're still working on a couple bugs, but hopefully this will be coming out soon. And doesn't it look nice with our tailgate applique and our performance spoiler? Glossy, glossy, glossy. We love glossy at RPM. And again, this is our regular standard range Model Y. And what we've got are simple upgraded wheel covers and the spokes. Everything is plastic on the wheels. But again, this is comfort. This is not about performance, because this is not a performance vehicle. Let me go that way. Okay, go. Okay, so again, this is our beautiful front lip. This is for the non-performance versions. It's RPM Tesla. We got a lot of new molds to make, a lot of beautiful products coming out soon. It's the #1 car in the world 3 years in a row, and we're very proud. It's the greatest vehicle. It fits so many markets, so many customer types, and again, we love our dry molded carbon fiber. Just look at the quality you're getting. This is not some cheap imported version. This is gonna last for years to come. Super, super level, dry molded, and again, the carbon fiber is imported from Japan.